It depends on their masses, and hence sizes, and on the direction of the collision. Black hole and neutron star have a great number of masses. There cannot be slow collisions, due to the gravity of both objects. Either they fall together, accelerating rapidly the whole time, or they orbit each other, speeding up much more slowly. With a larger black hole, it is possible for a neutron star to fall in completely, leaving nothing behind. We begin with a neutron star and a black hole orbiting each other, and losing energy in the form of gravitational radiation. Their orbits shrink, they speed up to a significant fraction of the speed of light, and eventually, they merge. Again, the neutron star is shredded by tidal forces during the approach and explodes. Much of the material from the exploding neutron star is then moving too fast to fall into the black hole. Some enter an accretion disk around the black hole, and some fall right in.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you learned something from the video. Like the video, and comment and also share because your one share means a lot for us. And don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the bell icon.
I'll be your inspiration.